So if you don't have access to a whiteboard, if you're stuck at home, another great way for you and your students to show your work is just a quarter piece of white paper. So get an 8.5 by 11 piece of copy paper, cut it into fourths, and that's a great way to show your work. So let's hop back into Screencastify by clicking that extension. I've selected webcam only. We're keeping it simple. We're just going to record ourselves teaching this concept to share with our students. So here we go. Let's hit record. All right, guys, we're going to solve for y today. Your problem, everybody have your quarter sheet of paper? Write down your equation right here. 6 equals 2, open parentheses, y plus 2, close parentheses. All right, so what's the first thing we need to do? We need to distribute. So let's distribute the 2. What is y? Good. 1. Yes, everybody show me your quarter sheet of paper, and now let's go. So from here we hit stop on Screencastify. First thing we're going to do, let's stay organized. Solve for y. So let's just title our video. Let's get rid of this horrible computer face. So let's drag the scissor tool over to 28 seconds. Remember, this is a destructive edit, so it will delete everything that we trimmed off. It'll be gone forever. So make sure that you don't trim off something important. There we go. There's our new solve for y. Quite a heroic pose we have there. Again, our options are to copy the shareable link. We could throw that in an email or in a message for some quick feedback for somebody. Let's hit more options. So we know that when we have that shareable link, that we can make it unlisted or unlisted at Banks County. I usually opt for unlisted, which means anyone with the link can view it. So the next option, we can get a link here and share it to Google Classroom. We can publish it straight to our YouTube page, or the embed code, remember, means you can put that code into a website. We also can go straight to Gmail from here or generate a QR code for our younger students. What we want to do to make sure that everyone has access is to hit the download button here. So we get a drop down and have a couple different options. We're going to choose MP4 because that works on everybody's device and can be made available offline. So let's click export as MP4 and then click export again. And remember, it's not going to automatically download until you hit download MP4. Now I can upload this to my Google Classroom so my students can have access to it, and they can make it available offline for themselves as well in Google Drive. So remember, this is simple and practical, just a quarter sheet of white paper.